Hey, buddy.
The Mongo's back.
Hold on, wait. You can't lock it on.
Alright guys, welcome back. We got the crew back here again for another unboxing. We got some Phatmojo Poppy Playtime stuff. There's no real reason for this video, I just have it, and it's like, why not make a content out of it? But if you guys do like Poppy Playtime, I got multiple videos on the franchise on here, so make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more. But yeah, so we're gonna take a look. We got the Smiling Critter minifigure 10-pack, and we got the Smiling Critter Catnap and DogDay 2-pack. We're gonna unbox. So anyways, if you guys like Poppy Playtime, you guys like movies, game shows, collectibles, we talk about all that here, and let's do it. What should we start off with? Should we save this for last?
Because it has more.
Let's look at the let's look at the figures. I actually did another video on this figure where I customized. You want to grab that actually? I customized that figure. So I customized it. We got Monster DogDay. I did do a video on it. Go check it out. So it is the same figure. So we'll take a look at them there. You want to look at that?
I was gonna say I want to look at it.
So let's open. Let me open this. Don't make me do this again. They don't smell.
They don't?
They don't.
A little bit.
They don't. I don't smell anything.
The head. This one right here smells.
You rip one more time. Die.
Should we do DogDay or Catnap first? Let's do DogDay.
I was gonna say
I thought
Dog
you were
Day.
We got DogDay out the box in this hoe. I've reviewed the figure before. He's nice. Let me do my little thing real quick. His head spins all the way around. Doesn't look up at all. Arms all the way around. You know, they go up like this, down like that. I know. Legs here. His hands don't move actually. Look like they do.
Not all the way.
The legs go up and down. The feet move. Whatever. It's the Smiling Critter version, so it's not that detailed, but it's
really about to take a myself. Action figure, dude.
So, as you can see,
Has no cake at all.
it's all just a bag review.
cute.
What's a
Thank you.
child in there?
Yeah, that is a kid.
Oh, wait!
Here DogDay is with the custom one I made. Oh my god. There they are together. Let's take a look at Catnap now. This is finally a new figure. Okay.
Today, I was in English.
Really?
We're trying to record a
Yeah,
figure.
Let me speak! He had prophecy that he was gonna kill his father, so he left. Or the dad. Like, he didn't like him, but like, he can't kill him. So he goes off. Then he looks like he has to kill him, and then goes to other races, and like, he can't kill his father, and do things. He ended up f***ing his mom, and he didn't know.
Okay, here we have Catnap. Great looking figure. I think he looks a lot better than DogDay. He's the same articulation, so I'm not going to go over it. It's not detailed a lot just because it's the Smiling Critter one, but still very cool. He's got the tail on there. Aiden, what?
I was a kid. I signed a banana. And of course that changed my life forever.
Great figure. And actually, we have one more thing. It actually comes with an accessory. So this accessory is a TV with the Smiling Critters cartoon on it. And it also has this little handle on the back. So the figures can actually hold it. Both figures can, but we're just going to show it. Put it on Catnap after.
Good.
I'm a single dad with 2 autistic kids. See what I mean? Here he
I saw this guy, he stole his friend's water bottle, and he ran, and he tried to pants him, but he just grabbed him under.
Oh.
So he just grabbed, like,
Dude.
his whole nutsack and pulled.
His whole junk.
Here he is holding it.
And it rotates in his hand. I don't know if you said that, but...
My brother Bigelow.
And then it goes like that and stuff. And then it can
Ooh, that's a strong hold.
Not at all, boy.
So now that we got the the figures done, let's take a look at this big pack. Let's take the plastic off, but as you can see here, it's cool. Anyways. Zooey Mama. Is that Riz? Mm-hmm. When like if I see Bella and I think she looks really good, I just go Zooey Mama. So as you can see, taking a look, this is really cool. You got a Smiling Critter Catnap like big face, and you can put all the figures in here. I think I might hang this up on my wall. Do not put it on me. All right, you want to open it? Who wants to do the honors?
open it. Is it just a lid?
I think so.
Hold up.
What the f***? Hold on. Okay, continue.
Anyone?
Oh no. I actually felt pain.
Oh, and the actual
We got
plastic
blind
things
bags,
can
too.
come out, so, and there's blind bags in here, so you guys will get some mystery stuff. Let's start off. I might not know some of their names. So here we got Bobby Bear Hug.
Bobby the Beetle.
Why is it arching?
Bobby the Beetle.
These are fun little figures. I like.
We got Bobby the Beetle. You seem pretty good, guys.
You have to go.
Oh, shit.
There's Bobby Bear Hug. Here you go, Reese. You'll take care
Bobby
of him.
Bear Hug.
So now we got.
So cute.
I think it's a
He
girl.
looks
We got Kickin' Chicken. Kickin' Chicken, aka Chica. Pretty cool. I really like these are good size figures for with the actually, will you do me another favor? I'm so sorry making you that again. Will you get me the Huggy Wuggy that's over there? As you can see, if you look at the size, it goes great with the McFarlane ones, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like that. Here you go. You want to take him out? Damn. Damn. It didn't work.
Hello, everybody.
We got
Oh, it probably says their name.
Blue Timmy.
Wait.
Pretty
No.
good looking.
Pick
Wow.
things up.
Look at his side.
Ellie the Elephant. There we go. That's what we're going with. Ellie the Elephant. Comment what his name is, guys. Comment what his name is. You get free toys. Not promised. So there we go. We got Elephant. We got Pig Patch. I think it's like kicking. No, not kick. It's like, I remember it because I just read it. Like Piggy Pin. Piggy Put. Wait. There. Yeah. Look at there. She looks happy. Damn. Now we're getting to the big three, the ones I'm most excited for.
Well,
we
there
got Critter Catnap, looking really cool. I like the sitting position. I think it's cool. You look at them. So yeah, there's Catnap. Oh my, I keep dropping it. And we got everyone's favorite, another DogDay.
I thought you were about to say dog dick.
And now for the one I'm probably most excited for. Monster Catnap. Why is he arching like that? Bro's got straight booty in the air, dude. This one is really cool. It's probably my favorite one, though. I love his design. Yeah. Okay. So now we actually have not one, not two. We have three different ones. So guys, I want you to pick which one you want.
I want the middle.
Okay. Let me go first. I'll open it. And then you guys open it.
Boy.
And then you guys rock, paper, scissors for who goes first. Here we go. Our first mystery critter bag. You just gave that one concussion.
Dude, that would have landed right.
Can we focus? Oh, I gave it a concussion. Oh, we got Hoppy Hopscotch. Cool. That one's cool. I like the pose. That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Unique.
Rock,
Yo, wait, no, do
Scissors.
rock, paper, scissors. We need
rock,
contact.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, he actually got you.
I'm like
Okay, you can go.
Open the fuck.
Stand up on this.
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry, the mic's gonna sound bad.
Okay.
Who we get?
It's like the toy. It's like.
Whoa! Wait, that's sick! Wow. That is so cool. It's like a non-alive toy version of him. I really like
Yes, you know
that.
what-
Here's Kinger. And last, but definitely least, we have Aiden.
It's it.
Okay, let's
Wait,
see.
make sure to unbox it in the camera.
Hold on, people. This is taking a while. Now we're looking at these things.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got something good.
What'd you get?
It's Nemo.
Oh, what the f? It's a unicorn! It's Uni.
Oh, that was the one that was artistic.
It's Uni the unicorn, guys. Alright, look, reset them all up. We got them all over here. Literally nothing. What is happening?
Show Bimbo. That was an exotic cricket.
So, now you got your little carrying case, so we're gonna put all the critters.
Be a little gentler. They go through a lot.
So sorry. Now, you can get all your critters. Close up. Close it up, thank you.
Just give me the.
I think you broke my finger.
So guys, if you can subscribe to So now you can carry around all your critters. no! Alright, bit over.